YouTube, we're back with another video and another haircut tutorial. And in this one we're going to be doing a low fade with 2 inches off the top. We're going to start off by setting our first guideline, and we're using the Wahl retros. These trimmers are in zero gap, so we won't be creating a hard line. Now with the shaver, we're just shaving down the bottom portion of the fade, and we're not going all the way up. We're leaving some space so we can come through with our trimmers and erase that bald line. Now we're just coming through with our Andis Slimline Pro, and we're just erasing that line because the shaver leaves a hard bald guideline, and since these trimmers are zero gap, we can erase that by just going through. Make sure you pull the skin. It makes it easier to erase that guideline too. Now we're going to set our next guideline using the bevel-less gold effects with the no guard open, and we're just going up like an inch. You want to make sure you go through the guidelines multiple times, and when you're going around the ear, just make sure you don't have to use the whole blade. You can use like the corner of it, because sometimes it's hard to get around the ear. Alright, so now we're just going to start fading down, and we're just closing the lever little by little until we're completely closed. And when I'm fading, I use one section, so this is the side, so this is one section, and then the back is the other section, and then the other side will be one section. So I just do a section at a time. Our next guideline is going to be created by using the one guard open, and we're just going up again like an inch. To get rid of this guideline, we're just going to use 2 steps, and the first step is going to be with the one guard closed, and we're just flicking out. We're just going up to the line, and then we're going to start flicking out. So now to get completely rid of that guideline, we're just going to use the zero guard close, and we're just going to flick out right beneath the line. So even before you get to the guideline, just start flicking out. That's how you get rid of it instead of creating another guideline. Our final guideline is going to be done by using the 2 guard open, and we're just going up another inch. With our 2 guard closed, we're going to try to get rid of that guideline, so we're just starting to flick it out, just like the previous one. We're gonna flick it out, and it won't get rid of it completely, but it'll soften it up. With the 1 guard open, we're just going to get rid of the rest of the line. Sometimes it won't get rid of it completely, so you have to close it or adjust it, but for the most part, it will get rid of it. Now to fade up to the long hair he has on top, we're just going to use the clipper over comb method. And make sure you don't take too much off, so just put the comb at a like 45-degree angle and just cut it off. Don't cut too much off. Now there's a slight line right there, so we're just using the 2 guard to get rid of that line. And we're not digging in, we're just kind of flicking out so we could get rid of that line. So we're gonna take about 2 inches off the top, and when I'm cutting the top, I usually start from the front and make my way all the way to the back. Alright, so now we're just lining up that C cup, and my client doesn't really want me to line up the front, he just wants to keep it natural, so he just wants the C cup lined up, and that's what we're doing right now. Alright YouTube, that's the cut. That's the low fade with the front hairline natural. And if you like the haircut, please leave a like. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. PC YouTube, PC.